Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to change the rear brake pads and rotor for a 1995 to 2001 Ford Explorer. The first thing we're going to need to do is remove the wheel. Next, we're going to remove the brake caliper. Next, we're going to remove the rotor. It might be stuck on, so we might have to gently tap it with a hammer to break it loose. Next, we're going to compare our old rotor to our new one to make sure that they're identical. Once we're sure that they're identical, we can go ahead and clean it using carburetor spray. Next, we're going to reinstall the rotor. Next, we're going to remove the slide bolts out of the brake caliper. Now we're going to remove one of the brake pads and leave the other brake pad that's physically connected to the piston in. Next, we're going to take a large pair of channel locks, and using the old brake pad as a buffer, we're going to resect the rotor back into the caliper piston housing. Once the piston has been recessed all the way into its housing, we can go ahead and remove the brake pad. Next, we're going to compare our old brake pads to our new ones to make sure that they're identical. Once we're sure that they're identical, we're going to replace our brake pads. Next, we're going to replace the metal clips that's shown here. Once those clips have been replaced, we can go ahead and replace the slide bolts that we removed earlier from the caliper. And then replace the caliper. Next, replace the wheel. This next part is very important. We're going to put all the lug nuts back onto the wheel, and then we're going to tighten them in a star pattern as shown here. Next, we're going to hop in the driver's seat and depress the brake pedal all the way to its maximum reach. We're going to do this very slowly all the way down and slowly all the way back up. We're going to keep doing this until we get a very firm pedal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit twocarpros.com.